Have you been thinking about getting Zija's NHR Basic Kit? Or maybe you have the kit already and you have no idea what to do with these products. Well, today's video is for you. I'm gonna break down all the simple directions for all of the products in the Basic Kit, so stay tuned and let's get into it. Hi YouTube family, it is Kelsey and welcome to my channel where each week I release new videos sharing tips and tricks for natural health and wellness for everyday people. No, you don't have to be a crunchy hippie granola type person to live a natural health and wellness lifestyle. And that's what we share here on this channel, is super simple ways to integrate natural solutions. Now, if you don't want to miss any content that I release each week, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that notifications bell. And if you want to become part of our Instagram family, head over there. Instagram is fun. All right, let's get into it. So your kit is going to come in a snazzy Zija box. And inside you're going to find your Getting Started DVD, a Begin Your Journey something. What is this? Something. Oh, it talks about all the products and things. Boy, I'm prepared. And then a 90-day natural health revolution challenge, which you can track your food if you're really looking to lose weight and get healthy. Little resources for you there. All right, let's get into the meat of it. The first product we're going to talk about is your Super Mix. Now, again, I'm not going to go into why moringa is amazing and why you need Super Mix in your life every day, which you do. Spoiler alert. But Super Mix is your plant-based whole food nutrition. Your body needs nutrition since our food lacks it these days. So drinking moringa every single day is vital to keep energy and your health and your immunity and just overall like ready to take on the world levels at the highest it can be. So to use Super Mix, you get a box of 32 packets, which look like this. What you do is you open it up, you pour it into about 16 to 20 ounces of water. I like to put ice cubes in it just for extra cold. And then you shake it up and drink it. Now, one of the things I really want to caution you about is, yes, you can put Super Mix in a smoothie, a fruit smoothie, or something that you make up in the morning, but you really want to be careful to avoid sugary, high acidic juices. You don't need to be consuming sugary juices in the first place, but since Super Mix is enzymatically alive and bioavailable, you don't want anything interfering with the enzymes and killing them off like a super acidic juice. So be sure to just mix it up with water and you'll be set. Oh, and don't put it in soda and don't put it in hot water. Like, it's a given, but people have done it. Don't do it. All right, part 2. Here we go. XM Burn. Now, XM Burn is a thermogenic fat burner. And before you wig out like I did when I heard those words, no, it's not like the crazy fen psychopath fat burners of the 80s and 90s, which truly that's what I thought. I was like, get that away from me. I don't want nothing to do with this. No, I can't. No, you guys, everything with Zija is all natural, botanical based, so that's this as well. XM Burn helps burn fat. It also helps with energy, appetite suppression, helps curb those cravings. It helps me have more focus and just better mood. There's different formulations that you can get, but the XM Burn is a great place to start. Inside is 60 capsules. And depending on your sensitivity to natural caffeine, not synthetic stuff, you can take 2 in the morning, and I suggest in the beginning with breakfast. Take 2 capsules in the morning with breakfast and plenty of water, and then you should be set for the day. If you need to take 1 in the afternoon before 1 o'clock, don't be taking it past 2 o'clock because then you won't be able to sleep, you guys. Common sense. Make sure to just eat that with your lunch and before 1 o'clock. Oh, I'm spitzing. I'm so excited about this. Now, if you are sensitive to natural caffeine, what I recommend is really easing into it. So take 1 capsule in the morning with breakfast and see how you do for the day. If you do need additional energy for the afternoon at lunch, you can try it 1 or 2 depending on how your body is liking it. Now, like I said, XM comes in the basic kit. There are other formulations. My favorite is XM3, but we'll get into that in another video. Start off with XM and then make sure to keep in communication with the person who got you started to see if XM is your formulation. Got it? Oh, you guys, here's another doozy that we need to just have a little powwow about. Do not take XM and coffee or an energy drink or a caffeine source at the same time. Stagger it out because you're gonna go cray cray. We don't need that type of level of you in this world. It's just too much, really. So be sure to stagger your coffee or your energy drink an hour or so after or before another caffeine source. Got it, boo-boo? Don't be doing stupid stuff, all right? All right, we've got the combo tea. Now, the combo tea has, what does it have? It has daily tea and premium tea. Daily tea, can I be real with you guys? I actually don't use it that often. I know people swear by it and they make up like a whole batch of it for iced tea, helps with speeding up metabolism and kicking midday food cravings. I personally don't use it that often, so you gotta try it out and see what works best for you. What I wanna focus on is premium tea. Premium tea. The tea is key, you guys. Premium tea is a detox tea, and again, I'll get into all of that in another video, but you need to be cleaning out your filters, your liver and your kidneys, and detoxing your body, especially like if you've eaten too much or you're getting bloated or you have some digestion stuff. Premium tea is going to be your best friend. The biggest mistake people make with premium tea is they think they need to drink it every single night. And it's like, no, honey, because that's just not going to be a pretty sight, literally. So you need to drink premium tea 2 to 3 nights a week. Just 2 to 3 times a week, not every night, please. And then in the morning, you will have a moving experience in the bathroom, we'll just say. And just be forewarned too, the first 1 to 3 times of using premium tea in the next morning will probably be a little bit more memorable than other times. It will get better. You just gotta push through, no pun intended. You just gotta push through and it will get better. And one of the things you really need to focus on is keeping hydrated, because a dehydrated body has a hard time detoxing and pulling those toxins from the system if you don't have any hydration in your system. So hydrate frequently, and premium tea 2 to 3 times a week. All right, now we're gonna go on to one of my favorite products of all time. I'm so excited. Améo Trim Tone oil. Here's the deal. Ameo is the only clinical grade essential oil on the market, and there's a lot of science behind it, and I'm not going to get into it in this video, but it is super highly concentrated, and it is the only essential oil on the market that is tested to be cell permeable. And I will actually put a link down below where you can see all of the test results that this bottle of Trim Tone has gone through. But you can see the cell permeability. You can see where all of the ingredients came from. So I'll put that down below, and that's really cool to check out. But it is a beautiful citrus blend, and I just love the smell of it. It smells like dreams coming true. I think that's what it is. But truthfully, it's a beautiful citrus scent, and it can be used topically on top of your skin. It can be used in a diffuser, which smells amazing, great for cleaning the air. And it also can be used internally, dietary. So you can put 1 or 2 drops in a glass of water, and it will not only flavor your water with a citrusy burst of goodness, but it will also speed up your metabolism, especially if you're looking for weight loss and getting healthy and all these different things. This is key. Now, I'm gonna go back to the topical application of it, because this oil is a powerhouse. When you apply Trim Tone on the skin, whether you drop it undiluted or with coconut oil, if you have cellulite, stretch marks, loose skin, or any of those above, Trim Tone will help tighten and smooth your skin. It's amazing. I'm gonna pop a couple before and afters of my favorites. Yeah, Trim Tone is legit. You're gonna love it. My girlfriend Regan says it needs to be sold in 5-gallon vats, and I could not agree more. So that is your basic kit. Now keep in mind, these directions are pretty much similar to what's on the box. If you have any medical concerns or any questions whatsoever, go back to the directions on the box, consult your physician to see what you should and maybe shouldn't be using. But for the most part, these are pretty general directions that you can apply to your regimen. Remember too that everyone is different, and so some people will do premium tea 3 nights a week. Some might do it 2 or 1, depending on what works best for you. You have to find your best groove. Another thing is Super Mix. There's no stimulants in it whatsoever, and so you can drink it, I suggest, first thing in the morning, but some people drink it at lunch. Some people drink it right before bed. You can drink it multiple times a day. You can share it with your kids, with your pets. It is awesome and a great alternative to synthetic supplements and capsules that do actually more harm than good. This is whole food, plant-based nutrition. Your body recognizes it as a whole food like spinach or kale or something like that. So it can actually process the nutrition, and your body is like, thank you, honey. I appreciate it. Thank you. Super Mix for the win. Thank you so much for watching all of the instructions. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I would love to chat with you. If you've not gotten started with Zija or would like to get your hands on your own basic kit, check out the link below, and we would love to have you on our Barnwell team. We're a bunch of hoodlums who have a great time. I would love to connect with you, and again, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any new content. And please feel free to join our Instagram family right here, where there's all sorts of fun things happening. But I'm gonna leave you with this. No matter where you are in your health and wellness journey, remember, it's a crazy world out there. So pick your battles and always give yourself grace, because imperfect is perfect, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.